And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 115. Let me show you how you can create a fish text effect. Use the type tool, left click on the canvas and then type in the word or text that you need. Size it up holding Shift and Alt. Then make that bold. Now use the envelope features right here, also called warp options. Use the drop down and there is a fish preset. Just make sure that it's set to horizontal. And if you've got the preview checked, at the bottom left of this menu, you can see the effect applied in real time. Don't overdo it with the bend, because you can see at the end, it's going to get flipped if you go too high. And you can also adjust the horizontal distortion for this left and right relation. But make sure that vertical stays to 0%, because that will twist it a little bit. That's usually not what a fish effect looks like. When you've got what you want, confirm we're okay, and that's already it. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.